If you're looking to create quality images and videos like these, then I'm here to share with you what I've been using. Everyone has been talking about VO3 recently, and it is now one of the best, if not the best, video generator available. Its current plan can deter some people, but there are alternatives. The tool I'm about to share with you is free to use, but like most free tiers, it comes with its limits. In this video, I will not only show you how to use this tool, but other ways of taking full advantage of its capabilities. Head over to labs.google/whisk. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Google Whisk is an experimental AI tool from Google Labs that uses the latest Imagen 4 image model and video powered by VO2. Keep this in mind because this will be very important later. Once you're at the screen, you have three options on the left. The first area is for your subjects. This is where you'll drop an image of your main character or object. The next area is your scene. Add an image here to define the background or environment you want. And a third is the style input. This image decides the artistic look. Think painting, 3D, sketch, etc. You also have the area for generation. This is where your images will appear. You can upload your own images or use the Inspire Me or Roll the Dice features to get started with AI-generated suggestions. Each area allows you to enter text. This is important if you don't have an image or you want to type in a prompt to create a unique image. There are also two icons above each area, the plus icon and a Roll the Dice icon. Click the plus icon to add another image to the area, or click the Roll the Dice icon to generate a random image. To get a feel for it, let's click the Roll the Dice icon. We are going to do this for each area. Now that we have created images in each area, let's go ahead and generate. As you can see, it uses the same style as the image we generated, with the subject appearing in front of the background scene. Let's look at a couple of crucial settings to give you even more control. First, you can usually choose the aspect ratio for the picture. This determines the shape of your final image. Additionally, you'll find settings to adjust the output quality. And a really useful feature is the ability to lock the seed. If you've generated an image that is very close to what you want and you need consistency, make sure to do this. Want more control? You can view and even edit these generated prompts for each area, subject, scene, and style. Hover over the area and click on the pencil icon. If you're unhappy with the image or you want to emphasize a specific detail, this will help. You can change the original details or add more details if you wish. Don't love your result? Swap out the subject, scene, or style image and generate again. See how a different style can completely change the feel, or how your subject looks in a completely new environment. If you're stuck or just want to see some different combinations, use the Inspire Me or Roll the Dice features. Whisk will suggest images for you to start with, leading to some unexpected and creative results. Some generated images might have a refine option. This lets you make smaller, more targeted adjustments to specific images rather than re-rolling everything. Let's make this interesting. Let's use the Animate feature to animate the picture we created. Look for the Animate option at the top left of the picture. Type in what you want to see in a generation area, then generate. For this one, I'm going to leave the area blank and see what Whisk comes up with. After a few moments, this is what we have. Now, let's create an image using our own subject. I want to create a realistic scene, so I'm going to upload a picture of this woman. Whisk will analyze its key features. Next, for the scene, I'll use an image of an art studio. Let's lock the seed. And now we are going to generate this, using the prompt, a woman smiling while painting. Let's wait a few seconds. And there we have it. Let's add one more person to the studio though. Click the plus button at the top of the subject area. I'm going to type in a prompt at this time, a young woman with long black hair. Click Generate. And our second person is complete. Let's go ahead and prompt our image. Now we have two people in our studio. Once again, let's animate this image. Same as before, look for the Animate option at the top left of the picture. I'm going to add a short prompt. And the video is complete. To test this even further, let's generate a few backgrounds for our subjects. This will include a coffee shop, a picture from space, an underwater scene, and a cyberpunk backdrop. We're going to upload these to the scene area to see how our subjects appear in each one of these scenarios. First, let's do the coffee shop. This should give us a nice, cozy, everyday setting to work with. Let's see how close it matches our reference image. Not the same coffee shop, but still not too bad. Next, let's upload the cyberpunk backdrop. This will create a completely different futuristic vibe. Unfortunately, in this generation, you cannot see the other woman's face, so let's try again. Much better. We can work with this. We haven't done much with the style area, so I'm curious to see how the image will come out when a picture of a painting is uploaded. Let's make sure everything is set properly and then generate. I'm expecting this to be a work of art. Not bad at all. They even have a Kroger to visit when this is done. Time for our scene in space. Let's see how our subjects look among the stars. This is a pretty amazing picture, though I wonder how they're breathing. And then we have our underwater scene. This one should be really interesting. The generation on the right is a little off, but the one on the left came out much better. I want to animate the artistic Van Gogh cyberpunk scene. For this one, I'm going to keep the prompt blank and once again leave it up to Whisk to see its results. The movements of our subjects are slightly stiff, but the active background is a pretty nice touch. Keep in mind, you can only use the Animate feature 10 times per month per account. Each video is usually 8 seconds long and offers a great way to create videos using Google's high-quality image generator. But remember what I said earlier, this is powered by VO2. I covered this in a previous video, but for now, go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in, and once you do, look for the Generate Media tab. AI Studio currently has a ton of options to play around with, but we are specifically looking for VO2. Click the option that says VO, and it will bring you to this screen. Let me explain this so there is no confusion. For any images created in Whisk and you want animated, download them from Whisk and then upload them here to animate those images. To find your projects you created in Whisk, go back to Whisk, then click on your profile icon. Choose My Library, and this will take you to another screen. There will be a drop-down menu with a list of experimental tools Google has to offer. Choose Whisk. And here, you can look through and download the projects, images, and videos previously generated. And there you have it. Another amazing free tool for stunning images and animations, but there is so much more that you can do with this that I want to share. Check the description below for even more information, and if you enjoyed this, hit like, share it around, and subscribe. Your support helps this channel grow and reach more creators like you.